Is Usman Tariq a real chucker? Chucking means bending the elbow more than 15 degrees while bowling, which is illegal under ICC rules. Usman Tariq's action looks suspicious because it's slinky, low arm and fast through the air. However, he has not been officially banned. There is no ICC report proving an illegal action, and no lab test failure has been made public. So right now, he is not officially a chucker. He is just an unorthodox spinner. Many great bowlers were accused early in their careers, like Saeed Ajmal, Muttiah Muralitharan, and Shoaib Akhtar. Different doesn't mean illegal. Usman Tariq is a Pakistan domestic cricketer known for his mystery, spin and awkward angles. He bowls with a slingy action and gets sharp turn, which makes batters uncomfortable. He's mostly talked about because his action looks unorthodox, his delivery skid and dips suddenly, and batters struggle to pick his variations. The phrase "why is India afraid of him" is more of a fan-made hype line than a proven cricket fact. There is no official record of India refusing to play him, Indian players complaining about him, or the ICC banning him. What people really mean is that batters find his action hard to read and he bowls at odd release points, creating doubt. It's psychological and social media exaggeration, not official fear. The final truth is, Usman Tariq is a mystery domestic spinner, not yet an international threat. The idea that India is afraid of him is a fan exaggeration, and the claim that he is a chucker is an unproven accusation. And until the ICC tests and bans him, his action is legal. Share your thoughts in the comments section.